here is how to put your Brunny Hardcore blocks on your skates. So for this part, you're gonna need your bushings. I'm gonna use the independent medium bushings, which are here, and your trucks with the pivot cup. You're gonna need your nut, and of course the assembled blocks, and that's all you need besides your boot mounted on the plate. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your skate, face it up like this, and take the block. You can decide which side you want the design facing out towards. Slide the hangers down like so. You want it centered in the middle. You don't have to do this part, but I'm going to put the washers on. Doing the large washer first. You want the bigger square bushing to go on. Slide that on the kingpin. Slide this one on the kingpin. Now you're ready to put your trucks on. You're gonna want to put this in with the pivot cup into the hole here in the plate. So set that in there. Try to push it in as much as possible. Now we're gonna put smaller side up, wider side down. And lastly, to secure it, we want this nut. Just thread it on first. And if you want, you can put these on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it for the sake of doing it. So make sure you have the block centered where you want it. Our last step is gonna be to tighten all this down. That's it. Now it's time to skate them. Don't they look so sexy? I love them.